Welcome guys to this video. Today's Sunday 12th June 2022. Pretty much gonna do a chart breakdown, or you may call it like a CBD on AUD USD. Pretty much gonna go over what what I'm seeing and what to expect in next coming up week on AU, and see how we can capitalize and trying to take good entries, and then trying to make some money on the market. So as we can see on AU for the daily chart, it's on a bearish move. So how we can find that is, we know it was doing, I'm saying, this was an uptrend right here, break, right here, break structure, and kept on going. So whenever you see stuff like that, so always gotta mark a trend line, right? So it was doing high lows, right? So we broke this. I broke this last low high it did, retested, right? And it kept on going and making high lows, high lows, high lows, right? So he did that. So we plot out trend line, right? So we could catch the trend and see where it's gonna break the trend at, right? So from right here, somewhere here, broke structure, broke the last higher low it did, right? This was the retest. Sure, it wasn't, saying, all the way to where it purposely did it, but this right here actually was considered as a retest. So we're gonna mark this right here, right? And we're gonna visit that later. So whenever we see market break structure, right? So we're always gonna have to plot a fib from point A to point B, right? Point A to point B, and trying to catch the move, right? So we know this right here is pretty much so market break structure, right? So did a lower low, lower high, right? And did and continue on a bearish trend. So all we gotta do is, since it did a new low, create a new low, and this is a lower high, what we gotta do is readjust our fib, right? We gotta do is readjust our fib, right? So market retraced to 100% and kept going on a downtrend, right? And what we gotta do now is, mark that structure again. That's a lower low, lower high, right? Lower low. That's just a low or high. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much the same thing because it's resistance right here, right? So next thing we do is mark our line for the new downtrend structure. So all I gotta do is mark that, right? So point A to point B. So we're just gonna try to take this downtrend on AU. So but before we do all of that, right, so we're gonna go to our key level and see what's happening on key level. So this is our monthly key level, right? So right now we see it's at the key level right here, right? Broke, tested, right? And all this right here, right, is on the key level, pretty much like a strong level of support. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this key level and put it on our regular area right here, right? So you can see on a daily chart it was tested, right? Sure, right here it looked broken, you know what I'm saying? So but then again it went back above it again. So for this coming up point, we're gonna see how it react to that area right here, and see if we can actually continue the downtrend on this one, because we know overall for the daily time frame it's bearish. So with that, since it's bearish, since it's bearish on a daily, so we should be expecting, you know, continuation. All right, so we should be looking for the continuation. So let's see how we could take some trades on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, if you pay attention on the 4-hour time frame, right, knowing that the daily was still bearish because it didn't break that, right? It didn't break that. So on a H4, we could have take some trade was, you know what I'm saying, trend line, right? Broke, retest, and kept on going, right? Simple as that. So for daily right now, just gonna stick on the daily because daily chart on AU it's way cleaner, you know. We could see things way cleaner on daily. So daily's bearish on AU, right? So only thing we should be looking for right now is sales, but at the same time we just got to be mindful of that, you know, monthly key level, you know what I'm saying, if it's gonna respect that monthly key level, if it's gonna respect that monthly key level and bounce off and, you know, go bullish, or if it's gonna, you know, break it, like break and then retest it, you know what I'm saying, break, retest, and keep on going bearish again. So this is what we're looking at for AU. Now we're gonna go to GU and see how, you know, what we're looking at on GU. GU daily is also bearish, right? You know, it's doing lower highs, right? And just gonna mark them, right? Alright, so, you know, low high, lower high, lower high, low. This is a high, right? So this is what we have on daily. Daily is bearish on AU. I mean GU, my bad. So we're gonna mark our areas again, same way. Point A to point B, and see how we could capitalize on the structure. So the daily on GU is bearish. Alright, so we got that already. Now this is a lot of data to analyze, right? So for GU we're gonna go H4, right? H4 is a little bit like more consistent and see better data. So for GU, so GU previously was on a downtrend, like right here, you know, lower high, just a high low, just as a high, but didn't really break it. You need two bullish candles to break that, but it didn't, you know what I'm saying. It closed bearish after that. No, now create a lower low, lower high, lower low, then broke, right? Broke right here, but technically it did broke right there. So we're gonna mark this one down here, this right here, right? So we're gonna mark that, right? So it did broke this area right here, right? Retest and kept on going bullish, right? So for us, when thing like that happen, when you make when a higher low is created on a downtrend, we plot a fit, not a fit, but we plot a trend line, trying to find the trend on that, right? So as the trend goes up, right, kind of modify the trend line that bit and see, like, you know what I'm saying, how we could get it a little bit better with the trend. So right here, this is This is our trend line for H4, right? This is a trend line for H4, and right here, this is where we will see the break, right? So this right here will be where the break happened. It, you could you could mark it two places. You could either mark it right here or right there. So yes, it does matter where you mark it, but for this CBD, we're gonna mark it right here. All right, so break structure happen and retest, right? So again, whenever break structure happen and a new trend is about to form, always plot your fibs. You know what I'm saying, to find where the retracement is gonna happen. So retrace right here. I mean, broke book structure, retest, right? And then and it went bearish, right? So since I knew this is a new trend, low low, low high, lower low, right? So now it make that new lower low. So we're just gonna readjust our fib, trying to find retracement and find where we can have entry on that. So like right here, you know, it's a bearish move. Uh, just a resistance level right here. Come on, find a resistance level right here. This is a resistance level. Um, resistance tested, and kept on going bullish. I mean bearish, my bad, going bearish. So what we are expecting for the next coming up week is either the continuation of this bearish move, but this is an area I'm gonna mark that was show a strong support level and strong resistance level, right? So this used to be support level, right? Turn resistance on this area right here, resistance, broke, retest, right? That was when the bullish push was going, right? Then bearish move happened, you know. Then this area becomes support, right? It becomes support, right? Tested, tested, right? Then broke and broke it, and it went all the way down. And another area, this one, no, I think that this, yeah, this be it. This is it right here. So for key level, we're gonna go on monthly key level. So this is a monthly key level. As you can see, monthly bearish trend, point A, point B, price broke outside of that trend, you know what I'm saying? Broke, right? Now retracing at 100%, right? My weekly key level, so we're gonna copy that and put that on a regular chart, and you know what I'm saying? So the only area I'm expecting and looking for buy is all the way down here, right? That area where that break happened, and this is your key level, right? So this is the only area I'm looking for a buy, right? So for the next couple months, for the coming up week, the only thing I'm looking for on GU is sell until it reach this area right here. Just looking for the continuation of this bearish move, so we can readjust our fibs, you know what I'm saying? So put it right here all the way down here. So sure, we could find some retracement, you know what I'm saying? Find retracement, and it's possible it will retrace from here and retest that support, now turn resistance level, and then, you know, kept on going bearish, right? It's possible it could do that, and then, you know, once that happened, once it reach over down here, then we could look our actual long-term buy and, you know what I'm saying, go full bullish. But right now, we're just looking for sell continuation. Go see how the down, yeah. So right now it's look like it's found support. So before we could even take any buy on this thing right here, we will have to see some kind of breakup structure on the M5 to even consider taking any buy entry. So we need to see at least a breakup structure and retest on an M5 or M15 to go buy, short and buy, and then you know what I'm saying. But if any buy is gonna be a short and buy, and then when it's time to sell again, it'll be sell all the way to this price level at the key level right there. I mean weekly key level. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking for on GU and AU. I'm not gonna go over Ethereum or BTC because those are not my main pair. They're just there for me to just look how they're doing, you know, nothing special. But Ethereum or BTC, I don't really trade them like that. I just watch them. That's it. But this is I'm gonna go over a recap. AU, it's bearish on the daily. Daily chart is cleaner for AU. You know, you can see clear downtrend on AU on a daily. So only thing we're looking for right now on AU for this coming up week is sell. That is it. Unless unless it create a higher low, right? Unless it create a higher low on a downtrend, then we should be looking for a buy. For GU, same thing. We're only looking for sell, right? Until at least reach that support level right here. If it doesn't reach that support level, then we should be looking for any buy, right? But so we could also mark this area right here as a support level, right? Because it is a support level on GU, right? We could mark this area as a support level, right? And see how it react to that area on and see how it react on this for the next coming up weeks. Let's see how it react to this area. If it's gonna find support here, right? Retrace a little bit, right? Create that structure, create the next uh create that next lower high point, right? Then continue that bearish move. So right now we're gonna keep this line right here and then see how we react to that area, and then you know, and see how we could get that catch a move. This is the end of the video. um Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Pretty much gonna try to post every Sunday before market open, you know. So yeah, this is gonna be a weekly thing every Sunday before market open. You know, do a chart breakdown on GU and AU and show you guys my insight on what I'm seeing and what I'm expecting. You know, so yeah, good luck guys on the market. All right, see you guys next video.